APU flap is open. Let's start it up. Hello, EasyJet.
I need help.
What kind of help?
I need somebody to help me.
A321, it's been a long time. Good to smell ya. CG 28-1, compute. Oh!
Nice.
Leaky! Flex to temp 69. Don't mind if I do, sir. You guys don't need to use the fucking V-Pilot to communicate with me if you're on stream. And Charles de Gaulle traffic Air France 75 Hotel X-Ray is going to be pushing straight back onto Bravo from stand Charlie 8. Paris traffic. Alright, let's start up the engine number 2. Hello, Firsty. Good to see you, sir. How you doing? Couldn't you wait for me to finish my pushback, you dirty Ziggy?
Operation complete. Set parking brake.
Anti-ice is not needed. Flaps 100. Flaps deployed.